From the admin portal under Governance Dashboard, the Governance Dashboard displays our retention alerts as well as retention and Dlp statistics to help you keep track of retention policies, violations of Dlp rules. On the retention alerts, I can clearly see any alert that has been generated by the system or by any violation done by any user. From the alerts, I can OK them to archive them or acknowledge them. Within the dashboard, I can click on New Alerts to display the new alerts, Acknowledge alerts to see the alerts that I have acknowledged, and Archive alerts to see the alerts that I have archived. In this scenario, as part of the alerts from the retention policies, you can see that one of the alerts was that there was an attempt to violate a retention policy for a specific object, and it provides you the path of that object. It also informs you of which user created the alert by attempting to violate such policy. Within the statistics over to the right side, you're going to be able to see the total number of policies and files objects being affected by such policy. You're also going to be able to see your different retention policies and see how many objects are affected and how many retention policies you have created for that specific policy. You're also going to be able to see the files that have been affected in the last 7 days, deleted, or archived. Over to the bottom, you're going to be able to see the real-time Dlp statistics that provide you the active number of violations. And here I see 71. Active number of users are 2. Active shares, active uploads, and active downloads are 0. From within the governance dashboard, you're also going to be able to do some quick actions, like create a policy by clicking on Add Policy, viewing the effective policy by clicking on Effective Policy, or viewing the audit log by clicking on the View Audit Log. These are the capabilities that you as an administrator have within Governance Dashboard.